This is a brand new 2013 Dodge Charger. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 5.7-liter V8, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include heated seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning with automatic climate control, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped shift knob, a passenger side vanity mirror, front side impact airbags, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, a rear window defroster, and the HomeLink transceiver can be programmed to use the same frequency as your remote opening devices, such as the garage door, the entry gate, or even the living room lights, enabling you to control them right from the driver's seat. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.